So what you do if you want to make a static mouse image, basically, we're gonna do this one first. So what you're gonna do is you go to your control panel. So once you're on your control panel, where on the right on the top it says view by, we're gonna change that to large icons so you can actually get to the mouse settings here. So pretty much just change it to large. You can do small, maybe. You can try, but if you go to category, it just looks like this. That's why they change it. So, uh, anyways, once you change it, just go to mouse. Once you're on your mouse settings, just go to pointers. Once you're on your pointers, just click on browse because we're gonna find out where the location is of where our mouse pointers are, basically the images. So we're gonna find out the images. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's this location. Oh, so it's pretty much what you gotta do. It's pretty much just go to the location. Right here, looking location. So now we know what the location is. So cancel. Let's go to our documents, and then let's go to where the location is. So go Windows, browsers, and then now we just go pick the image that you want to edit. Pretty much, like it should show you. So just pretty much to pick one, and it don't matter which one. So I'm gonna do this one because I don't know, I can't see the images. So we pick the image and then paste it. I can copy and paste it into your desktop, so it'll be here. But pretty much just make sure you know where that location is and pick which one you want, pretty much. And then once you got what you want, just open GIMP. Uh, this is completely free. But just open GIMP because you can convert the image into what it's supposed to be, so Windows can use, aka the CUR, which right here. But anyways, once you got it open, just open the image pretty much that you got, aka the pointer. So open it, and then you will get layers on the image like this. And if you do, you can just delete all this, except the first one. So you can delete all this, like right click it, delete layers. Then now, once we're deleting it, what we do is we just edit pretty much. We just edit the image pretty much to whatever you want. So just edit, color it, paint it. I don't know, do whatever you want. And so once it's like this, don't move the position of the mouse because it kind of needs this. To be honest, it actually needs this position. But anyways, just make sure it's in that position, and once it's there, you got everything ready, everything's done. Then go to File, Export As, and then we're just gonna save it as a .cur. You can name it anything you want. Just name it anything you want, and then .cur. Just make sure it's a .cur, because if not, then Windows won't let you. Pretty much just export, save, pretty much. Like once you export, you can save it. So once you export, it'll save it. And then once you save it, it goes on your desktop pretty much if you moved it there, and whatever you moved it to. So once you got it, go back to your mouse settings, and then once you go to your mouse settings again, go to browse on no more select because depends which one you're changing, but pretty much just go to which one you're changing, and then go to browse, and then pick which one you want to use pretty much. So pick the one you made pretty much, which would be this one. See? So click open pretty much. I'm gonna select it. Once you select it, it'll say pretty much apply right here. Like it'll let you apply. And once you apply, you just close it, done, got them, done. Now you got your own custom mouse. But if you want an animated one, an animated mouse, well, what you do is you go to this website. I'll have it in the description. But you go to this website, and when you go to this website, I'll have animated pointers and more. Like you'll just have animated mouse pretty much. So, um, pick anything you want to use. So, say I want to use a cat, I guess. So, pick the cat, click on download, and then click on Cruzoe, whatever, animated, because that's the one you want, right? You want the animated one. So, click on animated one, which is .ani. So make sure you're getting this one exactly. So anyways, just click on download, save, same thing. So same thing, save, done, got them, bottom, close it, and then now we got a mouse right here, pretty much. And what you do now is the exact same thing. Just go to your control panel, and then go to mouse settings again, and then now pointers, and then now that's it. You just go to browse, and then pick the pointer that you got basically, which would be the cat, pretty much, and then click it, apply, done, got them, and you're done, and that's it. And that's how you can make your own mouse pointers and all that. So thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, comment, anything you want. See ya.